how to create group events on Messenger. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Messenger application on your device and further, go ahead and open the group where you want to create an event. Once open, tap on the plus icon on the bottom left of your screen and in the menu that appears, you will see the option for event. So tap on the event option you see there and you can then go ahead and create your event. So start by entering the event name followed by enter the start time and the date time of your event. Now go ahead and tap on the end date and time option you see there if you want to add in the end date and time too. If not, it's totally optional. You can then enter your location, which is optional too, and you can enter the description, which is optional too. Once you are done entering your details, simply tap on the create button you see there on the top right of your screen, and with this, the group event on Messenger will be created. So this was about how you can create group events on Facebook Messenger. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.